The world doesn't reward potential, it rewards execution. You're not tired because life is hard. You're tired because you are betraying your own potential. Every single day, your mind shows you a vision of who you could become. You could become healthier, smarter, stronger, more disciplined, more focused, more powerful. But every day, you delay, you procrastinate, you escape, you distract yourself, and slowly something inside you begins to break. Because deep down you know you were meant for more. The hardest part about wasting your life is not failure. It is watching yourself become somebody you never wanted to be. The truth about potential. The world is full of people with potential. Talented people, intelligent people, creative people, people with big dreams. But potential means nothing without execution. The world doesn't pay you for what you could do. It pays you for what you actually do. Every graveyard is filled with unfinished books, unstarted businesses, unused talents, unexplored greatness. And the scariest part is, most people never even realize that they are wasting their lives. They call it being busy, but being busy is not the same as moving forward. You can spend years distracted and still feel like you are going nowhere. Comfort addiction. Most people are not lazy. They are addicted to comfort. Comfort is the new drug of modern society. Your bed, your phone, endless entertainment, scrolling, cheap dopamine, instant distraction. The modern world makes it easy to escape your responsibilities. You don't have to face your weakness anymore. You can numb yourself in seconds. If you feel bored, just open your phone. If you feel lonely, scroll social media. If you feel lost, watch one more video. And little by little, your ability to do hard things begins to die. Comfort feels safe, but it is quietly destroying your future. Greatness requires discomfort. Every strong person you admire learned how to suffer voluntarily. While others were distracted, they were building. While others were complaining, they were executing. Your phone is destroying your focus. Your phone is not just a device anymore. It is a weapon against your attention. The average person touches their phone thousands of times a day. Yes, thousands. And then they wonder why they cannot focus for 10 minutes. Your attention is your most valuable asset, because whatever controls your attention controls your life. Right now, billions of dollars are being spent to keep you distracted. Social media companies are fighting for your mind. They don't want you disciplined. They don't want you focused. What they want you to do is consuming. A distracted person is easier to control. That is why so many people feel mentally exhausted today. Not because they work too hard, but because the mind is never at peace. No stillness, no clarity, no deep thinking, only noise. The psychology of execution. Execution is not about motivation. It is about identity. The reason most people fail is because they wait to feel ready. But high performers do not wait for emotion. They train themselves to act regardless of how they feel. Discipline is not punishment. Discipline is self-respect. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, you build trust with yourself. And every time you break a promise with yourself, you weaken your own identity. This is why so many people feel powerless. They have spent years disappointing themselves. They say, I will start tomorrow. But tomorrow becomes next week, next month, next year. Until one day, they wake up wondering where their life went. Execution changes everything. Not thinking, not planning, not dreaming. Only execution. Why talented people fail? Some of the most talented people in the world never succeed. Do you know why? Because talent creates ego, and ego hates discipline. When something comes easy to you, you stop training. You start relying on natural ability instead of consistency. But in the real world, consistency beats talent every single time. The person who shows up every day will always defeat the person who only relies on motivation. Greatness is not built in one massive moment. It is built in small daily decisions. Waking up early, staying focused, reading, training, working, learning, executing. Over and over again, train yourself for greatness. Most people want the rewards of greatness without the responsibility of greatness. They want confidence without discipline, success without sacrifice, results without consistency. But life doesn't work that way. You must train yourself for the life you want. If you want a strong mind, do hard things. If you want focus, remove distractions. If you want confidence, keep promises to yourself. And if you want greatness, stop living like everyone else. The moment you take control of your habits, you take control of your future. One day your life will end, and the question that will haunt you is not, what did I fail at? The question will be, who could I have become if I had executed my potential? Do not die with the greatness is still inside you. Put down the distractions. Stop escaping. Stop waiting. The world doesn't reward potential. It rewards execution. Subscribe to my channel for more videos that challenge you to think deeper, live stronger, and become who you were meant to be. Thanks for watching.